Now, while I'm doing this animation, I want to point out something to you. So I asked Grok some questions. This is the Grok AI. How many pixels does the Nintendo Switch 2 display? The Nintendo Switch 2 has a 20, no, it has a 79, wait, hold on. 7.9-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1080p, which 1920 by 1080 pixels, that results in a total of 2,073,000 pixels. Now, we can assume safely that the Nintendo Switch 1 has a little bit less. Okay, so what about the Etch-A-Sketch Animator? What does that have on it? The Etch-A-Sketch Animator 2000 has a black and white LCD screen with a resolution of 60 by 40 pixels, total of 2400 pixels. So let's pretend this is the Switch 2. So it's like maybe as big as one of these buttons. Imagine taking one of these buttons here and then putting it on the top left of the of this, not the border, but the screen here. That's how big this screen would be. And let's take a look at the Game Boy, because the Game Boy came out a couple of years after this. The original Game Boy has a 2.6-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 100 by 144, or is it 160? It's 160. So it's a total of 23,040 pixels. So pretend that this is the Game Boy, original Game Boy. It would probably fit like, see where this whole butt, okay? That's where you would see the resolution for this screen for a Game Boy. So just think on that. You can see very little for this display. And when you get to the Nintendo Switch 1 and the 2, it's smaller and smaller. That's the difference between 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit games, GameCube games, Xbox 360. That's the difference. That's the major difference between PlayStation 4 and 5.